What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today is just going to be a pretty quick video for my standards, and we're going to talk about something simple but kind of different, something that maybe I'm certain most of you don't have to worry about this or would even care about this, to be honest with you, but it bothers me. I don't drive my car a ton at times, strictly because of the baby, and sometimes just because I'm just not in the mood. So it sits at times for a couple days here and there, and I know I probably don't need to, but I keep it on a battery tender. This is my setup. I got the battery tender hooked up. I cut a nice hole into this bad boy and taped it up all janky looking because it was fibers coming out and I didn't want them to catch on fire. Real classy setup, right? But you would think that all the rest of this crap would be the problem that would be bugging me, but it's not. That's not the problem. This damn thing. This is really making me lose my banana sandwich here, okay? I was having it in the back. The back is where the battery is. Everything is in the back, but the problem, I had it connected to the wall here, right? Let's show you. Let's demonstrate. I did have it hooked up here, and then it was just laying here. This is an active walkway for me here. The trunk was open, and the problem with this is I have a little wickety-dickety bill, and there's this giant claw hammer that comes down every time I shut the garage, and I'm certain it would make contact. So I had it was like MacGyver situation here, trying to make ways for me to keep the trunk halfway open. Some people are like, oh, just slam the trunk on the cord and just destroy your paint. I don't want to do that. So instead I move everything up here, right? It makes more sense. I can leave the hood open. Nothing gets obstructed here, right? No pathway. I have it against the wall. It's nice down there, right? I even notched off a little bit of the sound deadening that absolutely does nothing because the car is just insanely loud, but that's okay. That's a topic for another day. We're not going to talk about that. This is the situation. I'm talking to a couple people that I usually, bounce ideas off, and everybody's like, oh, just shut the hood and don't worry about that. I can't live that life. I just can't. So the only thing I could come up with is obvious, pool noodles. Pool noodles. I don't even have a swimming pool and I got pool noodles. They're all over the place. Where are they? They're even on that wall. Protection, right? Condoms? No. Pool noodles. Yes. This is what we got. This is what we tried, right? Worked out pretty decent. I feel like it's some kind of protection because without this, it's draping on the actual paint. I don't have a clear bra. Yeah, I'm that dummy. I don't have a clear bra. So if I don't have this, it touches. One, it's a pool noodle and it looks like crap. Two, green. I don't want this. Doesn't look right. Doesn't look stealth. Doesn't look cool. And number three, I'm a sucker for spending money on Amazon. So let's factor all that in, and boom, this is what we got. I don't know where or how I somehow stumbled across this, but there's snake wrap foam protection. And of course, I only needed one, but it was a 4-pack. Look at this. Can you see where we're going with this, ladies and gentlemen? Can you see where we're going with this? So, whoa, I feel like a clown pulling a balloon out of a freaking sack or something. What kind of sack? Not a ball sack. Let's do this. So basically what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna unhook this whole situation here, right? I'm gonna wrap this thingamajigger here, and whoa, God, it's like a weird shake weight. I'm probably just gonna cut it and just make it so that it's, obviously we don't need anything excessive. Yo, this is like, hello ladies, this is kind of weird. So this is gonna be like the new situation for us. And then the good part about this being like a coil is I don't have to worry about this taco sandwich female body part slit where it's just gonna slide in or out. This is like protected. This is like wrapped around, you know what I mean? This is a good thing. So let's, do I wanna record this? No, because I'm just gonna make an ass of myself, and this video is gonna be even longer than it already has to be. I'm gonna wrap this up like a condom on prom night, and we're gonna set this down and we're gonna look at it, and then we're gonna conclude this video, and that's what we're doing. Well, I lied. I must be a professional liar. So as you can see here, this is a can you see here? You might be able to. This is just a connection here for the tender, and like I said, this just slides out. So we're gonna take this and go Bye, Felicia. We're just gonna start putting this. Ooh, see, this is the good end. Yeah, we're just gonna. We don't need to do much here. Just enough. So I don't know. All right, this is looking a little awkward right now. All right, so I don't want to go too crazy. Where are we? Whoa, Zynga. Let me just plug this in. This might be the best thing. We don't even have to cut anything. We don't have to do anything crazy. Let me just plug this back on here. All right, so just to clarify, what's going on here before the finale? I don't know, guys. I feel like I want to just start recording more of the everyday stuff, the weird, random stuff. Like if I'm doing a small project, or if I have something to say, or just something weird I want to show you, something weird, like an insight into my weird personality, which this is. Who would argue about a green, half chewed up looking freaking pit bull attacked pool noodle? You know, I just didn't want that. Plus, hey, theme. Black, and you know, it matches. If I could get octane red in this, I would probably spend another 20 bucks extra, but that's for another day, another conversation, another insanity filled video. But this is all we got, guys. We're hooked back up. Positive, we've got negative, we've got droopy, dingling, protected. So what's cool too is, yeah, I know this, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? But the paint's good. The paint is awesome. It's hooked back up to the wall, and you know, we're safe, secure, hooked up, collected, powered, and we're ready to take over the world, Pinky. So again, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I am losing my mind one video at a time. I may actually have a emotional, mental, crazy physical breakdown on camera one day. So if you're sitting there and you're waiting for it, this shit might happen. It might not though. So don't get too excited. Keep the popcorn on standby, boy. Keep the popcorn on standby because, yo, what the fudge? Keep the popcorn on standby. You never know when I'm just gonna lose it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one.